girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And as you can see, we got us a wig from My First Wig. So let me give you the specs real quick. It is a 20-inch headband wig. It is a yaki texture. It does have layers, and it is 130%. And here I'm just showing you all the little cute little headbands they had that came with the wig, and also the other little gadgets and gadgets they sent. So here's what the wigs look like. It has the black headband piece like all other headband wigs. And this is what the inside looks like. So we got that comb in the middle. It's no lace, of course. And then there's a comb in the back with no adjustable strap, which is perfectly fine because the combs do the job. So I'm just showing you the texture here. And this yaki literally matched my hair to a T, sis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swoop the front of my hair really good, and we're gonna braid the remaining hair up into one braid. Once that's done, I'm going to wrap up the braid into a small, tiny bun in the back of my head so it can be hidden with the wig. Now, I'm not going to put a wig cap on just because I find that the wig cap slips back a lot with these headband wigs, so it's kind of unnecessary. Once you've done all that, this is the easiest process to do. You are just going to want to slide that wig on the back half of your head. I like doing swoops just because, I don't know, it gives it a more glam look. And yeah, I'd like to also fold the headband just a little bit so it's not so wide. But here is how it looks without any curls. And as you can see, this texture matches so good with my natural hair. So this is before the curls, and I am about to start curling the hair with my 1.5-inch Hot Tools curling iron that I did get from Ross. It does the job, and the hair did hold a curl perfect. I really love this style. As you can see at the beginning of the video, it's very classy, very chic, and I don't know, it's a very convenient wig. So after that, I did 4 big curls, and the hair feels so pretty because it is layered. Before this style was done, I had to use my edge control and slick my edges one more time. You can either keep it like this or you can use one of the headbands that they sent you, but I decided to use one of these bling headbands just because I felt like it went better with my outfit. And girl, this wig was so cute. This is a very good everyday wig, especially if you work out, because there's no lace or anything. And it's just a very easy install, easy to maintain, especially if you want to take it off and wash it. It's very, very simple and easy. I'm just adding one more curl here, and then after that, we're all done. So if you did want to try a cute natural headband wig out, hit up My First Wig. They give you everything that you'll need to install it, cute headbands and everything. This is a very good wig, and I definitely recommend. Everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to My First Wigs for working with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.